Hello student, I already have taught you the lesson from lesson 1 to lesson 7 in my previous video of the chapter word processing intermediate. Now I am going to teach you from lesson 8 to lesson 11. In these sessions I am going to teach you about the inserting graphical objects and illustrations. Here you learn how to insert clip art, how to insert picture, how to insert symbols, etc. Okay, so in session 8, the first topic is inserting clip art and pictures. You know, clip art contains some pictures, predefined picture, which is come with the software. Adding clip art and pictures to your document can be a great way to illustrate important informations or add decorative accent to existing text. You can insert image from your computer or search Microsoft large selections of clip art to find the image you need. Once an image has been inserted, you can format text to wrap around the image. Okay, so the step to locating a clip art are: first you need to click on the insert button, insert tab. Here is the illustrations group and this is the clip art. Just click on the clip art button, it will display the clip art dialog box. Here you need to enter the type of clip art you want to insert. Here there is already a topic books. Okay, you need to enter the clip art type here and click on the go button. Okay, all the clip art inside the group will be displayed on the dialog box. Then place the insertion point where you want to insert the picture and click on the clip art fan. Okay, it will be inserted in your document. Now you can format the image. You can increase or decrease the size of the image. Okay, this is the rotation button. You can rotate the image using this button. Okay, this is the resize handle. You can increase or decrease the size of the image. We can also insert picture from file also, and the step are: click on the insert button, insert tab. Here is the insert picture from file button. Click on this button. It will display the insert picture dialog box. Select a file that you want to insert and click on the insert button. Okay, resize the picture using the resize button like this. Okay, in this way you can insert clip art and picture in your document. Next topic is inserting object. Here we can insert any type of object in Microsoft Word. The object may be an Excel spreadsheet, a graphics, or text file. Okay. The MS Word also providing options to embedding the object or linking to the file. Okay. This is called OLE, object linking and embedding. What is the difference between embedding and linking? In embedding, objects are stored in the file that they are inserted in and they are not updated. These objects are used when you do not want to update the copy data when it changes in the source file. And in linking object remain as separate file and they can be updated. Link objects are used when you want the information in your destination file to be updated when the data in the source file change. Okay, this is the difference between embedding object and link object. When we embed an object with MS Word, a copy of the source file is embedded in our document with all the features of that applications. Which means, for example, if we embed an Excel file, then all the features of MS Excel remain in that object, which means all the work we can perform in MS Excel, we can also perform in our document. But in linking, a copy of the source file is linked with our document. Anything we update in our document, it also make change in the source file. Okay. I will show you how to embed a link object. The step are position the cursor where you want to embed or link the file. I am going to embed an Excel file. The first step is select insert, then here is the text group. This one is the object. Okay, insert text group object. Click on the object button. It displays the object dialog box. Select the type of file you want to embed with our document. I select MS Excel 97 2003 worksheet and click on OK button. Okay, this is embedding. Error has occurred. Some problem. You can also link object. The step are insert object, click on the object tab, select, I am selecting Microsoft Excel binary worksheet, then click on OK button. Okay. This is an object of MS Excel is being inserted in our document. We can work here like in MS Excel, remaining in our MS Word document. Okay. This is all the features of this object, that is MS Excel. Okay. Click just outside the object. This is the feature of MS Word. Okay. In this way, we can link and embed object in our document. Next topic is inserting shape, symbol and special character. Okay. This is the Excel sheet where you can work like we generally work in MS Excel. To remove the embedding or inserted linking object, just select the object and click on delete button. It will be deleted. Okay. The next topic is inserting shapes, symbols and special characters. Okay. Here the insert tab. This is the word art text box with header and footer, date and times. This is the illustrations box. Here you can insert shape, smart art, chart, screenshot, picture, etc. This is the save button. Here you can get lot of saves. Just select the save you want to insert, then pressing the okay. Notice a save is being inserted in our document. In this way, we can insert clip art, chart, smart art. Okay, these are the smart art. Select the category. Then select the art, smart art, and click on OK button. Here you can enter any text you want. This is the placeholder inside the smart art. Okay. This is all about the session 8 from session 11. Okay. Next class I will discuss the question and answer of this chapter. Okay. Till then, bye.